Hi guys, it's Jody from Flying Fortress RC, and I wanted to show you my entry for the Rust Bucket group build that Mars Garage is doing. I will put the hashtag and a link to his channel and everything in the video here, but basically he just wanted you to be able to rust up something, weather something, um, whether it's a model kit or whatever. So I'm gonna use this old beaten Axial SCX2 crawler, and these are painted on the inside. So what I'm gonna do is leave the paint where I want it, but I'm gonna go like these fenders, these bed sides come off. The cab, it'll come off. Actually, it raises. It's kind of neat. It's got a figures. I can't reach it. I can never do what I'm trying to do when I am filming. It's kind of neat. It's on like a hinge setup, but see, that's all painted on the inside. So what I'm gonna do is take some sandpaper and just start sanding and sand it out where I want the rust to look, to be, and where I want to keep the green, I'll keep the green. I'm not a big fan of green, and there's just too much of it on this. I'm going to take the Axial stickers off, take my old logo from my custom paint days, take that off, and just the Ford logo and everything like that, but just rust it out, where it's gonna be messed up. I know a lot of guys, they weather and rust their crawler truck bodies on the outside, but my theory on that is these bodies are painted on the inside for a reason. And as you can see, this body's rougher than hell on the outside, from sliding down rocks, from basically just doing that sliding down rocks, rolling. It gets boogered up pretty easy. So I don't want to take the time and weather it all out and then slide it down a rock and have half the paint come off. It just doesn't make any sense to me to do it that way. So what I'll do is weather it from the inside, so that way I'm not, messing up any of my rust and, the weathered look on it when it does roll over or slide down a hill or slide down a rock or whatever. It's just going to be the Lexan that's going to catch it. So that'll be pretty interesting. But yeah, like I said, Mars got a really cool rust bucket group build going, and model kits. I think he even had like a candy dispenser thing that he said if you could rust it up, rust it up. It just didn't really matter what it was. Just something to kind of have that weathered, beaten, rusted look. So, but yeah, this one I'm going to use. And anyway, I'm going to let you go because I think the fireworks are getting ready to start. So I will talk to you guys later. Thanks. Take care. And I'll leave the links and stuff down below if you guys want to join in. Take care, guys. Have a great night. Thanks. Bye.